Hello friends, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. So guys, I know you all want to become fluent in English. Yes, there was a time when I was also like you and I was confused how to become fluent in English. That time I didn't have any book nor did I have any mobile. So, but I was learning. Maybe sometimes I learned some vocabs, sometimes I learned some structure, but I was not able to speak because I didn't know the trick how to become fluent in English. But I didn't give up. I kept practicing by myself, and gradually I realized that until I practice, until I speak in English, I can't become fluent in English. Like learning vocabs is not enough. Learning grammar is not enough. Watching videos is not enough. Yes, I did so. And I think I did a lot. But in return, again, I got the same question, that was how to become fluent in English, how to speak in English. So for that, I thought now if I know some structures, I know present, past, future, I know some basic words. So why not I start speaking? Then I started speaking some basic structure using with some basic words. So I started speaking like about my day, uh, about my about my day-to-day life. I started describing about my village. I started describing about my friend. I started talking about my home. Sometime I chose one tree and I started talking about one particular tree. And I started thinking as well. Though I started speaking by myself, I started practicing. First, I used to go to, like field, and when I saw here and there and I couldn't find any person, and then I practiced by myself. I started speaking myself. That time I was talking about anything. And at night, after taking dinner, when I went to bed, I started thinking myself that, okay, today I went to my field and I saw so many uh, people working in the field, and I also did this and I spent 1 hour over there. Today I did this work and I got tired. Then I bath, took a bath, then I took lunch. Today I was given a pulse in for lunch. So I was talking like this, means basic English, because that time I didn't have any idea. But yes, my that habit made me like this. And let me tell you one more thing. I had two enemies. Their name their names are like shyness and fear. Yeah, shyness and fear. They didn't let me speak in English. My shyness enemy told me, you should not speak. Uh, English doesn't befit you. And my fear, he didn't let me like practice. That if you practice, you make mistake. It's better stop learning English. There was a time when I tried to kill my these two enemies, but I failed because one day I thought, no, I'm not going to listen to my these two enemies, fear and shyness. Of course I will speak. My those two enemies were laughing, seeing me, that we will not let you do anything. We will destroy your life. Then I figured out, okay, let's see who is going to destroy my life. So I started practicing by myself. I started practicing vigorously. Whenever I got 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I utilized that time. Then I created one YouTube channel and I started making videos. But my fear again attacked me. He didn't let me post videos on YouTube. Said, you have made like filthy videos. If you upload, so you will be laughed. Don't upload. And listening to my this enemy, I didn't upload videos. Even I gave up. And this time my fear and shyness, they won. And again they won and they defeated me. And I stopped making videos. I stopped practicing in English. Finally, they told me that yes, you can't do. And I stopped. But again, after 6 months, again I started speaking. I don't know how come I get some energies and I started practicing by myself. And this time I made up my mind, and this time I decided to defeat my these two enemies. And I started this time. I started uploading videos. I started practicing by myself, and finally I killed my these two enemies, fear and shyness. Now you can see, you can tell me, is there any fear on my face? Is there any shyness on my face? No, because I have killed them million years ago. So guys, I'm telling you now, just kill your two, just kill your these two enemies and just go ahead, and definitely you will win this time. Of course, nothing happens, but yes, if you do, of course, definitely something or anything happens. So just believe in you, and uh, just keep patient and keep practicing. Thank you so much, guys. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. I will definitely motivate you, guide you, and I will tell you how to become fluent English. Thank you so much. Bye.